Is it audible, ma? So yesterday we covered some of the properties of the numbers. And one more important concept, units digit concept. So in unit digit concept, there are 3 different cases. Out of that, we already covered 2 different cases, ma. First case 1, if the last digit of the base is 0, 1, 5, 6, and the power is anything, the last digit should be itself. 0 power is anything 0, 1 power is anything 1, 5 power is anything 5, 6 power is anything 6. Similarly, whenever they given the last digit of the base is either 4 or 9, you have to focus on the given power. So because depends on the power, you may get the last digit of the given expression. So that may be even power or odd power. That may be even power or odd power. So if it is 4 power, if it is 4 power, even 6, 4 power odd is 4, 9 power even is 1, 9 power odd is 9. So these are the things we covered yesterday. So all of you understood? Yes? Right on the third point, 0, 1, 5, 6 completed, 4, 9 completed. Right on the third point, ma. Right on the third point, if the last digit of the base is if the last digit of the base is 2378, these are the only 4 digits left, ma. Okay, 0, 1, 5, 6 completed, 4, 9 completed. Now 2378. If the last digit of the base is 2, 3, 7, 8, then the last digit of the given expression depends on the power by using following method. Method. So in what way? If it depends on the power, please concentrate, Maya. So compulsory remember some of the basics. What is the value of 2 power 1? What is the value of 2 power 1, ma? 2. What is the value of 2 power 2? What is the value of 2 power 2? 4. Similarly, what is the value of 2 power 3? 8. So like that, if you really focus on this, so 2 power 1 2, 2 power 2 4, 2 power 3 8, 2 power 4 is 6, ma. 2 power 5 again 32. So 2 power 5 is how much? 32. So 2 power 6 64. Sir, we don't know what is the value of 2 power 6 64 directly. Yesterday I already told na 2 power 5 can be written as 2 power 4 into 2. Similarly, 2 power 6 can be written as 2 power 5 into 2. So 2 power 5 into 2 is nothing but 2 power 5 is ending with 2. So 2 into 2 4, ma. 4 is not the value of 2 power 6, but 2 power 6 is ending with 4. Similarly, 2 power 7. So 2 power 7 value is 128. If we don't know the value of 2 power 7 directly, you can do 2 power 7 can be written as 2 power 6 into 2, 2 power 6 can be written, 2 power 6 is ending with 4, so 4 into 2, 8 ma. So 2 power 8, 6. So what you observed here? What you observed here? 2 power 1, 2, 2 power 2, 4. Everyone please see the screen. 2 power 3, 8, 2 power 4, 6. Again 2 power 5, 2, 4, 8, 6. If you observe clearly, these four values are repeated. 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6. So it means the values are repeated for every 4 iterations. Ma. The values are repeated for every 4 iterations. Understood all of you? So 2 power 4 can be 6. Again 2 power 8 ki 6. 2 power 12 ki kuda 6. 2 power 16 6. 2 power 26 ma. Like that, the values are repeated for every 4 iterations. Similarly, what about 3? 3 power 1, 3, 3 power 2, 9, 3 power 3, 27. I already told. If you don't know the value of 3 power 3, 3 power 2 into 3, 9 into 3, 27. So 3 power 3 is also ending with 7. We focus on the last digit. Similarly, 3 power 4 is 81. 3 power 4 is how much ma? 81. So if you don't know the value of 3 power 4 is 81, you can do the same thing. 3 power 3 into 3. So 3 power 3 into 3 means 3 power 3 is ending with 7 into 3. So 7 into 3, 21. So 21 is not the value of 3 power 4 directly, but compulsory 3 power 4 should be ending with 1. 3 power 5. So 3 power 5 means 3 power 4 into 3. So 3 power 4, 1, 1 into 3, 3. Again 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 7. 7 into 3, 1. So if you observe clearly, 3, 9, 7, 1. It repeats continuously. 3, 9, 7, 1. 3, 9, 7, 1. So the values are repeated. But so the values are repeated for every 4 iterations. The values are repeated for every 4 iterations. Understood all of you? Clear? So similarly, 7 ma. So please concentrate. 7. 7 power 1, 7. 7 power 2, 9. 7 power 3, 20. 7 power 3, 343 ma. So whenever 7 power 3 is 343, we already told. If you don't know the value of 7 power 3 directly, what will you do? 7 power 2 into 7. 7 power 2, 9. 9 into 7, 63. So 63 is not the value of 7 power 3, but 7 power 3 is ending with 3. 7 power 4, 3 into 7, 21. 1. Again 7 power 5, 1 into 7, 7. 7 into 7, 9. 9 into 7, 3. 3 into 7, 1. So the values are repeated. The values are 7931. 7931. The values are repeated for every 4 iterations. Similarly, for 8 also, 8 power 1, 8. 8 power 2, 64, 4. 8 power 3, 5, 12. Otherwise, 8 power 2 into 8 and 4 into 8, 32. Nothing but 2. 8 power 4, 2 into 8, 6 ma. Again 8 power 5, 6 into 8, 48, 8. 8 into 8, 4. 4 into 8, 2. 2 into 8, 6. So the values are repeated for every 4 iterations. Please note down now. This is applicable for 2, 3, 7, 8. Whatever the logic is there, the logic for 2, 3, 7, 8 is same. The logic for 0, 1, 5, 6 common. 4, 9 same logic. 2, 3, 7, 8 we have to follow the same logic. So these are the possible digits in the last digit of the base. 0 to 9. 0 completed, 1 completed. Am I clear all of you? So I want to explain small calculation here. Whatever you understood, you can implement as it is for 3, 7, 8 also. For example, 2 power 1, what is the value? 2. 2 power 5, what is the value? 2. Again 2 power 6 again 2 power 6. Sorry. 2 power 1, 2. 2 power 5, 2. 2 power 9, also 2. 2 power 13 is also 2. 2 power 17 is also 2. Did you observe all of you? Did you observe? 2 power 9, 2 power 13, 2 power 17, 2 power 1 all are equal. Okay. For example, in exam point of view, if they give 2 power 21, if they give 2 power 21, smaller number, smaller power, 3 power 66, 7 power 203, and finally 8 power 248. Whatever the logic is there, it can be applicable for the same. Yeah, otherwise 8 power 24, no problem. 8 power 24. So whenever this is the given problem, 2 power 21, what is the last digit? 3 power 66, what is the last digit? If you understand the basics, we don't want to spend more time for the examples. Okay. So step number one, whenever the values are repeated for every 4 iterations, step number 1, you have to divide. Power is divided by 4. Power is divided by 4. Whenever the power is divided by 4, 21 by 4, what is the remainder? 4 5s are 20. What is the remainder, ma? 1 is the remainder. What is the remainder? 1 is the remainder. So this is applicable for 2, 3, 7, 8. So whenever there is a power, that power is divided by 4. 4 16 jar 66. 4 16 jar 66. Or 64. The remainder is 2. Again 203 by 4. 450 jar 200. The remainder is 3. 24 by 4. 4 6 are exactly 24 ma. The remainder is 0. The remainder is exactly 0. Whenever the remainder is 1, whenever the remainder is 1, the whole power, whenever the remainder is 1, the whole power 21 replacing with the remainder. Whenever the remainder is 1, whenever the power is divided by 4, the possible remainders are less than 4. Whenever a number is divided by 4, the possible remainders are less than 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. If the remainder is 1, the whole power replacing with the remainder 1. If the remainder is 2, the whole power 66 is also replacing with 2. If the power is 3, the whole power 203 is replacing with 3. But whenever the power is 0, whenever the power is 0, the whole power replacing with 4. Whenever the whole remainder is 0, the whole power 224 replacing with 4. Because whenever the remainder is 0, whenever the remainder is 0, it representing that the power is a multiple of 4. The power is a multiple of 4. 2 power 4, 6 ma. 2 power 4 into 2, 6 ma. 2 power 12, 2 power 4 into 3, 6. 2 power 16, 2 power 4 into 4, 6. So like that, whenever there is a remainder 0, it means it should be the multiple of 4. 4 into 6 na? So that is the reason whenever the remainder is 0, the whole power becomes 4. Whole power becomes 4. What is the value of 2 power 1? We know already. 2. Good. 3 power 2, 9. 7 power 3, 3. 8 power 4. How much ma? 6. So 2 power 1 or 2 power 21, both are ending with 2 only. 3 power 66 or 3 power 2, both are same. 7 power 203 and 7 power 3 ending with same. 8 power 24 and 8 power 4, both are ending with same. Write on the continuation. Write on the continuation ma. Write on the continuation. When power is divided by 4, power is divided by 4, then possible remainders are 1 2 3 comma 0. 1 2 3 comma 0. Point number 1. Sorry, don't say point number 1. Sub point ma. If the remainder is 1, if the remainder is 1, then power becomes the whole power, that may be 21 or that may be 66, that may be 210, that may be any power ma. If the remainder is 1, the whole power becomes 1. The whole power becomes 1. If the remainder is 2, if the remainder is 2, then whole power becomes 2. If the remainder is 3, if the remainder is 3, then whole power replacing with 3, replacing with 3. If the remainder is 0, if we are not getting from example to example, show the improvement ma to understand. If the remainder is 0, then whole power replacing with 4, then whole power replacing with 4. then whole power replacing with 4. So that is the complete concept of last digit ma. So any doubt up to that? While solving the example to example, then you understand clarity. Don't worry about it. So all of you note it down. So Sahiti, for 2, 3, 7, 8, the values are repeated for every 4 iterations ma. So that is the reason we divided by 4. Any other? Am I clear all of you? Yes or no? Yes? Yeah. Examples ma. Write down. What is the last digit of 7 power 253? What is the last digit? What is the unit digit of 7 power 253? So whenever the law base is 7, whenever the base is 7, what will you do? That is the third point. Whenever the last digit of the base, there is only one digit in the base ma. So the power is divided by 4 because the values are repeated for every 4 iterations. Whenever the power is divided by 4, please understand 253 is the larger number. So what is the divisibility condition for 4? What is the divisibility condition for 4? If the last 2 digits of the given number is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4 na? Yes, 4 13s are 52, the remainder is 1. 4 13s are 52, the remainder is 1. 4 13s are 52, the remainder is 1. Whenever the remainder is 1, the whole power 253 replacing with 1 na? We know what is the value of 7 power 1. So what is the value of 7 power 1 ma? 7. So that is the last digit of 7 power 253. Good. And moreover, remember at least these 4 values ma from your side. Very, very important. Okay. So there is no problem with 2 power 3 and 2 power 4 and 3 power 3 and 3 power 4 ma. But E 4 values, please remember 7 power 3 3, 7 power 4 1, 8 power 3 2, 8 power 4 6. Minimum 4 values you can remember. 7 power 3 3, 7 power 4 1, 8 power 3 2, 8 power 4 6. Next one. Next one. 2013 whole power 2014. So 2000 whole power 2013 whole power 2014. What is the answer? Same. Whenever the last digit of the base is 3, 2013 whole power 2014 depends on 3 power 2014 ma. Whenever the last digit of the base is 3, that power is divided by 4. The given power is the larger power. We know the divisibility condition for 4 is last 2 digits. 14 by 4. 14 by 4 means what is the remainder? 14 by 4 means what is the remainder? 4 3 is 12. What is the remainder? 2 is the remainder. So whenever the remainder is 2, whenever the remainder is 2, the whole 2014 replacing with the remainder, the whole power replacing with the remainder. What is the answer? What is the answer, ma? 9. Next one. Is it okay, everyone? Nine is the answer. Next one. 3 power 15. 3 power 15 into 5 power 12 into 9 power 43. So don't worry about the multiplication. Initially, individual you have to find ma individually 3 power 15 watt, 5 power 12 watt, 9 power 43 watt. Zero, good. So 3 power 15. So whenever they given a 3 power 15, 15 by 4, 4 3 are 12, the remainder is 3. Whenever the remainder is 3, the power becomes 3 ma. So 3 power 3 means 7. 7 is the last digit for 3 power 15 into 5 power is anything. 5 into 9 power is the even or odd. 9 power is the odd. So whenever 9 power is the odd, what is the last digit for 9 power odd? 9. So 7 into 5 into 9. 7 5 are 35. 7 5 are is what? 35. Again, ma, 5 9 are is what? 5. We don't want what is the complete value, but that expression ending with what? Yeah, we don't want Sahiti 3 for 315 or anything, but what is the last digit? Only 5 is required. So don't go for unnecessary calculation, ma. It may take some time. 7 into 5, 35, 35 into 9, 315. It may take some time. Don't go for unnecessary data. Am I clear, all of you? Next one. Next one. 3 power 17, 317 power 171. What is the answer? Whenever the last digit of the given base is 7, what is our method? Power is divided by 4. 171 by 4. If it is a larger number, please focus on 71 by 4. Please focus on 71 by 4. 4, how many times? How many times, ma? 4 17 are 68. So what is the remainder? 3 is the remainder. Whenever 3 is the remainder, the whole power 171 replacing with 3. So 743 means what? 743 means what? Sahiti, what is the answer, ma? 3. Good, Goshya. 3 is the answer. Good. Hope everyone understood the concept. Next one. Write down. Write down. Number theory. Number theory. Write down number theory. So in general, please communicate everyone. In general, what is the value of 5 factorial? So in number 3, we may discuss the concept of factorial now. So 5 factorial is what? 120. Good. What about the 6 factorial, Raja Reddy? 6 factorial ma. 720. Super. What about the 9 factorial? Don't use mobiles or calculators. What about the 9 factorial? I hope it is the difficulty one. It is the difficulty one, I think. Yes. So 9 factorial. 9 factorial. We don't know. I hope everyone remembered up to 6 factorial, at most 7 factorial. But we don't know what is the value of 8 factorial, 9 factorial, 10 factorial, 1000 factorial, Gaussian. So 1000 factorial, we don't know. Yes. So don't try ma. So don't do that much of hard work here. Okay. So in aptitude, do the smart work always. So whenever they are giving the type of 1000 factorial or 500 factorial, in what way we have to approach to find the maximum power of any given number? Like, please understand what type of top questions are there. For AMCAT and TCS, one of the important concepts. So factorial concept. So for example, in factorial, let us assume 5 factorial is 120. 5 factorial is 120. So 120 means 2 power 3 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. 2 power 3 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. What is that? The prime factorization of the given number. The prime factorization of the given number. So like this, 120. How many times? 2 times. 260 there. Again 2 30s. Again 2 30s. Again 2 15s. Again 2 15s. Again 3 5 here. Okay. So 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. There are 3 2's ma. That is the 2 power 3. Only 1 3. That is the 3 power 1. That is the 3 power 1. And only 1 5. That is the 5 power 1. This is the prime factorization of the given number. Prime factorization of the given number. So whenever we know the prime factorization of 120 is 2 power 3 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. 5 factorial value we know, that is the reason we know how to find the prime factorization. Okay. In case if they give 10 factorial, without knowing the value of 10 factorial, how can we find the prime factorization of 10 factorial? If they give 105 factorial without giving the value of 105 factorial, how can we find the prime factorization of the given number? It is not possible. So here our concept is here our concept is whenever we know the prime factorization, what is the highest power of 2? What is the highest power of 2 in 125 factorial? 3. What is the highest power of 3? What is the highest power of 3 in 5 factorial? 1 is the answer. What is the highest power of 3 in 5 factorial? Ma? 1 is the answer. What is the highest power of 5 in 5 factorial? Answer is 1. Sometimes, okay, for 5 minutes, ma, please assume, we don't know what is the value of, 5 factorial. For some time, let us assume we don't know what is the value of 5 factorial. Now I want to get the power of 2 in 5 factorial, power of 3 in 5 factorial, power of 5 in 5 factorial. How can we find? So whatever the logic is applicable to find the power of 2 in 5 factorial, you can implement the same logic to find the power of 2 in 1000 factorial also. Understood all of you? Clear? So for some time, please assume we don't know what is the value of 5 factorial. So for example, I want to get the power of 2 in 5 factorial. I want to get the power of 2 in 5 factorial. So whatever the power required, this is called divisor. Whatever the power required, that is called divisor. Okay. So if we want 2 power, it is called divisor. In which factorial? 5 factorial. 5 is the number. 5 is the number. For example, I want the power of 3 in 5 factorial. So 5 factorial means 5 is the number. If I want power of 5 in 5 factorial, if I want power of 3 in 10 factorial, so the factorial is becomes the number. The factorial becomes the number. So 2 2 are 4. Whatever the remainder is, that may be 1, that may be 10, that may be anything. Ignore the remainder. Ignore the remainder. Don't consider the remainder, ma'am. Don't consider the remainder. Understood all of you? Again, 2 2 are 1. Add all the quotients. Add all the quotients from bottom to the top except the given one. 1 plus 2 is how much? 3 is the answer. 1 plus 2 is how much, ma? 3. That is the highest power of 2 in 5 factorial. Similarly, if we need to get the power of 3 in 5 factorial, you can go with the same method. 3 is the divisor, 5 is the number, 3 2 jar, 3 1 jar, 3 5 3 1 jar, ma. 2 is the remainder. Ignore the remainder. That may be 1, that may be 2, that may be 3, anything, ma. Ignore the remainder. Add all the quotients from bottom to the top except the given one. There is only one quotient, that is the power of 3. 5 power in 5 factorial. Only one time, na? That is this one. 3 in 10 factorial. So 3 3 jar 9. 1 is the remainder. Ignore the remainder. 3 1 jar 3. Stop the process, not possible here. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 is the highest power of 3 in 10 factorial. 4 is the highest power of 3 in 10 factorial. If they ask 5 power in 555 factorial, you can go with the same method. 555 is the number. Understood all of you? Understood these examples? Yes. So 3 power in 5 factorial 1. 3 power in 10 factorial. 3 3 jar, 3 1 jar. 1 plus 3 4. Okay. So write down. In factorial concept, in factorial concept, we need to find the highest power of any number in the given product. Any number in the given product. Product means factorial ma. So 5 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. 1000 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 1 so on up to 1000. That is one product. Okay. So there is no formula. Get it all of you. So whatever you understood by using this method, please note down. Whatever you understood, okay, please note down in your own way. So write down the example, ma. Don't worry. In place of 5 factorial, that may be 100, that may be 120, that may be 320. Don't worry about it, ma. Okay. Write down. Find the highest power of 2. Find the highest power of 2 in 130 factorial. Find the highest power of 2 in 130 factorial. So 2 is the divisor. 2 is the divisor and 130 factorial becomes 130 is the number. So 265 are 265. Again 232s, 64. The remainder is 1. Ignore that. 216 are 32. 28 are 24 are 22 are 21 are. Don't consider the remainder. Please concentrate on quotient. So concept to concept, topic to topic, please concentrate. Everything is the important. At the end, what will you do after completion of division? You can add all the quotients from bottom to the top. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 16, 31. 31 plus 32, 33. 33 plus 65. 32 plus 32, ma'am. 63. So 63 plus 65, 128. Understood all of you? What, Abhinash? How 2 into 3? Where I wrote 2 into 3? Previous one. Where, ma? This one. Please see the pointer, ma. This one. Yes, that is the prime factorization, na? Where this one, whatever the power required, it is a divisor. And what is the given factorial? 5 factorial. So 2 2s are 4. We divide 5 by 2. Okay. So 2 2s are 4. 1 is the remainder. Ignore the remainder. Again 2 1s are 2. Here. Add all the quotients. 2 1 plus 2 3. That is the highest power of 2. Okay. Next one. Anyone? Am I clear all of you? What is the answer? 128. Cleared all of you? Next one. What is the maximum power of 5 in 555 factorial? Same 5 power in 555. 5 is the divisor, 555. 5 triple one jar. Again 5 22 jar 110. Remainder is 1. Ignore the remainder. 5 4 jar 20. The remainder is 2. Ignore the 2. So add all the quotients from bottom to the top except the given one. 4 plus 22. 26 plus 111. How much, ma? 137. That is the highest power of 5 in 555 factorial. Be careful with the calculation. 137, ma. Don't do minor calculation mistakes. Next one. Next one. What is the highest power of 3? What is the highest power of 3 in 65 factorial? What is the answer, ma? So 365, 321 jar 63, 37 jar, 32 jar. What is the answer? One question, multiple answers. 28, 30, 31. So 21 plus 7, 28, 28 plus 2, 30. Good, Sairam. Any doubt more to that? So any doubts? Yes, ma. 65 is not divisible by 3. So that is the reason only 21 times, ma. Remainder 2. You want to consider the remainder or ignore the remainder? Consider the remainder or ignore the remainder? Ignore. So again 21, na? So 3 7s are 21. Again 3 7s are 21. Again 3 2s are 1. 3 2s are 6, ma. 1 is the remainder. Ignore it. Any other? Saiti, did you apply for Accenture? Yesterday I shared the link to you. Why? Don't wait till last date for the registration. Infosys is also having the requirement of 20 Accenture for 2019 and 2020 also, ma'am. Who are 2019 and 2020 batch? Accenture is also having the requirement. Okay. So if any information regarding MTech related, definitely will inform you, ma'am. Don't worry. You are of which passed out, ma'am, Gausia? 19. So I will share to your email ID, ma'am. Okay. Yesterday, I think you received ratios and proportions content, na? I will share it to the same mail ID. Any other? Which material? So 19 link, na? I will check it again. Okay. I will check it, ma. Don't worry. Any other? Yeah, I understood, Sahiti. From institute material, ma. Yeah, we will only share the videos along with the practice questions in online class. Whenever it is the offline, we will provide the material also. Yeah, every day I told only one thing, Tarun. Don't compare with the technical. Okay. In aptitude, it is not possible to provide a writing notes by me. Okay. You can maintain a separate notes. Shortcuts are there. Assumptions are there. Like technical, it is those books are available in Xerox centers also. So please contact the office Gausia. So they will send the previous videos. There is no problem. For your batch, na Sahiti, by Monday we will share the materials now. Okay. Whatever the mail ID registered with Durga Soft, we will share that material to that mail ID. There is no problem. From Monday onwards, Maharaja Reddy. Thank you, ma. All the best. See you all in next class. Don't put the absent. Okay. So this is the right time. Gausha 2019 passed out. So within 2 to 3 months, the junior sub juniors may come out of the college. So try to get the job within these 2 to 3 months, ma. For which batch, Rajesh? TCS NQT 2022. Yes, ma. DXC Technologies already started. Yeah, for open drives there is no amount. Okay, Accenture, uh, Capgemini, whatever yesterday, whatever the link I shared to you, there is no amount, ma. There is no registration fee. All those are open drives. So please share the link, Rajesh. It helps a lot to your friends also. If you have. Saturday we have the class, ma. Okay. And moreover for your batch, I will inform you shortly because 1 hour class is not possible to cover the syllabus. Okay. But in online, we need to spend minimum 1.5 hours. So I will plan Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours. Let us plan, no problem. Yes, no, that is the TCS Digital and TCS NQT. Both will come soon. Okay. Thank you, ma. All the best.